winter's here and night is falling fast. The stars are thin above the hills, the mountain wind blows past. Can you tell us of a place to rest? We're weary from the road. Once kind were doors in Ireland, with fire and bread bestowed. Go on, he said, the moon will rise, it soon will light your way. What can a peaceful laborer for hunted wanderers say? But rain came down in sheets of cold, and dark was field and glen. What, close your heart and close your door and call yourself a man? 500 pounds upon our heads, the gallows waits at dawn. Go raise the cry and take the gold, we'll linger here till morn. Come in from the night. There's fire in the heart of the land. No gold can buy what we are tonight. We stand, we stand, we stand. We seized our hands with burning eyes. His voice broke fierce and low. To hell with all their shining coins, you'll find no traitor soul. I have a hearth and I have a home, and children fast asleep. For love of Ireland and her own, my door is yours to keep. Let soldiers march in silver shine, let tyrants make their stand. There's something stronger in this soil and stronger in this land. Come in from the night. There's fire in the heart of the land. No gold can buy what we are tonight. We stand, we stand, we stand. Through famine years and bitter rain, through exile, loss and flame, the poorest hearth in Ireland still guards her ancient name. Come in from the night. There's fire in the heart of the land. No gold